Hi, I'm Scott with AquaQuest, and I'm here to introduce you to our Slipstream Duffel. With this versatile 50-liter bag, we've applied modern technical materials to that classic duffel functionality and created a waterproof, lightweight, and durable carry-all that's eager for outdoor use. The Slipstream features a 100% waterproof body built of dual-coated fabric with heat-tape seams. The main compartment is sealed via a simple-to-use roll-down closure that clips and cinches to maintain watertight integrity. Now, this roomy storage area also includes a built-in, easy-to-clean liner. The Slipstream scores high in portability points. Weighing in at 1.3 pounds, it's very lightweight and comfortable to carry. When empty, the bag compresses to a very compact size, making it easy to pack and store. And while sleek and light, the Slipstream punches above its weight in the arena of durability. The bag uses a ripstop nylon 6/6 fabric to achieve that ideal balance of agility and strength, with quality hardware and webbing part and parcel of the construction. With a splash-proof zip pocket, a rubberized mesh pocket, padded carry handles, and crossbody compression straps, the Slipstream has that ideal combination of components to make it a useful and usable duffel across many activities. Campers, paddlers, and even the general traveler will find that this bag is their go-to option when called to adventure. I'm Scott with AQ. Thanks for watching.